Ka Sorkar Jala Shan Concessional Penbahano Yaka Phan Nonglait Park Shaka Jaka Yeng Kali Shongkai Pengat Yaki Mrad ki Badan Hakanika Park and Ra'lut Shaka Shuh Trau di Bhai District Mentakasni Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukarat Ki Sangma Ulaong Bakatu Kat Nika Benta Jongka Park and Penyar Yaka Jingte ke Shillong Civil Hospital Kat Ba Ki Wei Ki Benta and Penwandur No Naka Benta ke Jingbentoy Jongki Pait Ba.
So wherever the children's park is here, like no, this is here. This one is there. And the entire process of redoing this particular park has already been planned. Part of the plan is to extend some space for the civil hospital, which you can see behind me. So we will be extending space and giving some space from here for the civil hospital so that more beds can come here and more facilities can be brought out. At the same time, we are in the process of shifting the animals from the park to the permanent location, which is the zoo, which is almost complete, and in the month of June we should be able to shift most of the animals to the zoo, to the enclosure that has been built out there. And once all of this is done, then we will start a proper reconstruction and renovation of the entire park, which will include a large number of facilities that will come up. At the same time, there will be some section behind where we are also planning to use for a parking lot so that there could be some decongestion in the city, and that process also will start very soon. So we have come here today with the entire team to study this and to look at the plans, and we hope that this will be one step towards ensuring that we are able to decrease the overall congestion in the city of Shuh.